professional online cutting optimization systems. FastCut, the most advanced system for managing and optimizing cutting for medium and large companies. Data is stored in the cloud, enabling management of your own company from anywhere with internet access. Online cutting has never been easier. FastCut is available for your clients through a web browser to place orders for panels 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, along with a preview of the cutting on the website. Thanks to integration with Order Manager, it's the best and most intuitive way to order items requiring optimization in cutting, manage production, and automate customer service. Its main advantage lies in the post-processors that allow the generation of NC files for panel saws from all known manufacturers, as well as CNC files for machining centers. With a wide range of additional options such as thick elements, grooving, shape change, and drilling editor, FastCut meets the needs of even the most demanding customers. Key modules of FastCut. Easy-to-use CSV file import for files prepared in Excel or generated from ERP systems and CAD/CAM furniture design programs. Integration with e-commerce platforms opens unlimited possibilities for companies seeking the best ways to acquire customers and present their offerings. Both the panel configurator and the furniture configurator greatly facilitate and expedite the order process for even less experienced customers without leaving their homes. The Order Manager integrated with the FastCut system is a versatile tool that allows manufacturing companies not only to showcase their assortment and services, but also to fully manage their production. Key modules of the Order Manager system. The basic production management module allows defining services performed on panels and assigning them to selected employees, machines, or locations. In the advanced version, it becomes a practical tool for production managers/technologists, allowing flexible implementation of their production plans in the company. Both the client and the manufacturer can generate various reports based on the data accumulated in the system for each order. The custom report editor provides extensive possibilities. Waste generated in orders is stored in the waste warehouse by the Order Manager. Each waste can be subsequently used in subsequent orders. The system automatically selects the best use of scraps to minimize material losses. Proper warehouse management can reduce waste by up to 15%. The Cutting Assistant module performs 3 very important tasks. Firstly, for panel saws, it provides a preview of the list of orders to be executed on the screen. Secondly, it displays the cutting layout without the need to print it on paper. And thirdly, it allows for the generation of a simple label and an advanced label in the form of an image. This allows labels to be printed not only on panel saws, but also on format saws. Our label editor is a unique tool for creating scalable labels, where the preview of the panel on the label follows its shape in the order. The Cut View module has a similar purpose to the Cutting Assistant, but does not require an internet connection. It is ideal for panel saws located in places with difficult access to electronic media. Additionally, thanks to built-in mechanisms, apart from the list of orders to be executed and label printing, the Cut View module guides the saw operator step by step, indicating cutting lines and plate rotations on the screen to correctly and in the right order cut the panels. The Manual Cutting Layout Editing module in the Order Manager system allows for arranging cutting elements in any layout, taking into account cutting according to vertical or horizontal strips. With fully automated cutting, as offered by the system, manual editing allows further personalization of the order for the customer and defines the layer transition. A detailed report after placing an order includes a summary in the form of settlement, a list of materials to be retrieved from the warehouse, dimensions, and all operations to be performed on the panels as well as cutting layouts. A report containing the image of production paths is an excellent tool that allows an employee, with the help of a code reader or a phone with access to the production module, to mark the activities performed by them. This progress in real time is available both to the production manager and to the customer, who can track the stages of their order fulfillment from a web browser. This simplifies and improves communication between the manufacturer and the recipient. If you want to manage your company optimally, ensure professional panel and plank cutting, shorten service lead times, and avoid production downtime, then FastCut and Order Manager are just for you.